Have you ever wondered why inner peace always seems just out of reach? It's a question that rings true for many as they grapple with the daily trials and tribulations of life. The pursuit of inner peace is a universal quest, one that transcends borders, cultures, and generations. It's not merely a quest for tranquility or calmness, but a journey towards personal evolution and growth. In an era where stress and anxiety seem to be constant companions, seeking inner peace is not just a luxury, but a necessity. The challenges we face, the stressors that gnaw at our peace of mind, they're not just hurdles, but opportunities. Opportunities to find that elusive peace within ourselves, to grow stronger, more resilient. But what if I told you, inner peace isn't just a state of calmness? It's a tool, a powerful tool that can catalyze personal growth and transformation. So, are you ready to embark on a journey to inner peace and personal growth? What if I told you that inner peace is not just a philosophical concept, but a scientifically proven tool for personal growth? Indeed, the world of science has taken a keen interest in the phenomenon of inner peace. It's not just about feeling good or being in a Zen state. It has real, tangible benefits that can significantly enhance our lives. Research has shown that individuals who cultivate inner peace experience less stress. Stress, as we know, is a major risk factor for a host of health issues, from heart disease to mental health disorders. Therefore, inner peace can be a potent shield against these stress-induced ailments. But it's not just about warding off negatives. Studies suggest that inner peace can also usher in positives. For instance, individuals who have found their inner peace report increased levels of happiness. The euphoria we feel when we're at peace with ourselves is not just subjective. It's backed by science, showing a surge in feel-good hormones like serotonin and dopamine in our system. Moreover, inner peace can contribute to our overall health. The tranquility it brings can lead to better sleep, improved digestion, and even enhanced immunity. Our bodies function more optimally when they're not constantly in a state of turmoil. And it's not just physical health that benefits. Our mental and emotional well-being can also see a significant boost. Inner peace can lead to better decision-making as it clears the fog of anxiety and fear that often cloud our judgment. It can enhance our focus, improve our problem-solving skills, and increase our creativity. Furthermore, inner peace can be a catalyst for personal growth. It provides us with the mental clarity we need to reflect on our life, identify areas we wish to improve, and make the necessary changes to evolve and grow. It empowers us to be more accepting of ourselves and others, fostering healthier relationships. In a nutshell, the science behind inner peace is as fascinating as it is beneficial. It underscores the immense value of finding that serene space within ourselves. Indeed, the science behind inner peace and personal growth is compelling, but how can we achieve it? Finding inner peace may seem like a daunting task, but it's simpler than you think. Imagine a world where the tumultuous waves of stress and worry are replaced by a serene, tranquil lake. It's not a fairy tale, but a real possibility through the practice of mindfulness, meditation, and positive thinking. Mindfulness, for starters, is the art of living in the present. It's about acknowledging and accepting our feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations without judgment. When we practice mindfulness, we tune into the here and now, letting go of past regrets and future anxieties. It's like taking a scenic walk, noticing each step you take, the rustling leaves, the soft breeze brushing against your skin. It brings a sense of peace that's inherently calming, helping us to navigate life's storms with grace and serenity. Next, we have meditation. It's an ancient practice, but its relevance in today's fast-paced world is more significant than ever. Meditation allows us to tap into a special place within ourselves, a refuge from the ceaseless chatter of our minds. It's a place where we can rest, rejuvenate, and reconnect with our inner selves. Like a quiet pond reflecting the clear blue sky, meditation offers us a mirror into our souls, revealing insights that can guide us to inner peace. Lastly, there's the power of positive thinking. It's not about denying life's challenges or wearing rose-tinted glasses. Rather, it's about choosing a hopeful, optimistic perspective. It's about seeing the glass half full, finding the silver lining in every cloud. Positive thinking inspires resilience, fostering a peaceful mindset that can withstand life's ups and downs. These practices, when combined, lead to personal growth. They foster self-awareness, helping us understand our thoughts, feelings, and reactions. With this understanding, we can consciously choose to respond rather than react, to grow rather than stagnate. And as we grow, we inch closer to that elusive state of inner peace, becoming better versions of ourselves along the way. Remember, the journey to inner peace is a personal one, and it's never too late to start. So, we've learned about the benefits of inner peace and ways to achieve it, but how does it contribute to personal growth? Inner peace is a fertile ground for the seeds of personal growth. It's much more than just a pleasant state of being. It's a foundation, a platform that fosters self-discovery and self-improvement. Imagine it as a quiet room where you can hear your own thoughts, understand your emotions, and recognize your potential. In this tranquil space, you can better understand your strengths and weaknesses, your passions and fears. You can reflect on your experiences, learn from your mistakes, and plan for your future. You can cultivate resilience, empathy, and patience. The journey of personal growth is like climbing a mountain. The climb might be tough, but with inner peace as your guide, you can navigate the steep slopes and rocky paths with greater ease and grace. Inner peace is not just about feeling good, it's about growing better. Now that you understand the importance of inner peace for personal growth, what will you do about it? It's time to take action, to embark on your own journey towards inner peace and personal growth. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a move in the right direction. It's about progress, not perfection. It's about becoming a better version of yourself, not comparing yourself with others. You might start by carving out a few minutes each day for quiet reflection, or perhaps you'll decide to explore mindfulness or meditation. These are just starting points. The path you choose will be uniquely yours. And remember, this journey is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about reaching a destination, but about embracing the journey. So, why wait? Start today. Start now. The journey to inner peace and personal growth starts now. Are you in?